Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look a mess today. I don't know what's going on with me, but this is not it at all. This is not it. But anywho, so y'all, I wanted y'all to tag along with me to go get my nails done, my toes done, and me doing my hair. You already know. Yeah, so it's been a minute. And I was like, dang, I need to go on vacation. So my girl hit me up. She was like, want to go to Miami on vacation? And I'm like, Miami? Girl, I haven't been to Miami in so long. But yeah, so we finna catch these flights, baby, because I'm ready to get it on. Like, 2020 ruined my vacation time. So 2021 is... we playing catch up, okay? So we about to go get these nails done to get prepared. We going to do my hair. I'm just gonna take y'all on the whole journey, because look at this. I can't go to Miami looking like this. Like, no, I can't. So yeah, so my appointment is at 12:30, y'all, and hopefully I won't be late, because yeah, it's, you know, already a struggle. But I'm about to take y'all with me on this journey. So hopefully we get it together. Everybody is booked and busy. And I'm over here like, I need my nails done. This is a crisis, okay? This is a crisis. So, yeah, we're going to get these nails done, because I cannot. I'm looking hella basic today. But today is like errands day. Hey guys, so I just made it to get my nails done. I don't know if she's gonna let me record or not, but I would try to record. Right now she just told me to come on up, so I'm about to go do that. And then if she let me record, I'm gonna record. But if she don't, you know, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna try to get something in. But yeah, so I'll be right back.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Right up to the eye of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for breathe. And watch me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby.
About to go get my toes done, but I'm going tomorrow because I have a lot of stuff to do today and I have to go to work tonight. So yeah, it's just a lot, but I got my nails done. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so freaking cute. I'm so glad I went to her. She did an amazing job. I will leave her link down below for you guys in case y'all are in the area. I can't stop doing this because I have this little jewelry thing on there. So I've been doing this like all day since I got it done. I've been like this. I called my sister on FaceTime and I was like, hey girl, how you doing? She was like, I see you got your nails done. I sure did. I sure did. These are so cute. I'm so glad I got them done. Now I need to get my toes done because they look a mess, y'all. So I will bring y'all to that tomorrow, but today I'm calling it quits because I need to go to work. And look, when you get your nails done, you be like this. So yeah, I need to call it quits and just go to work. But no, I'm about to get dressed so I can go to work, and I'll be back tomorrow. So yeah, see y'all then. So it's why am I so far? It's currently the next day, and y'all, I'm about to go get a pedicure because I need to get that done. Then I need to run to Target. I have only a few hours because I also still need to pack. I gotta do my hair. Y'all, everybody is so booked and busy. Like, I don't know what it is, what's going on in the air. Is everybody on vacation or what? But for my pedicure, they were like, oh, we only do appointments only, but since we're not busy, just come on in. So they're doing walk-ins, and y'all, I'm so thankful because if I had to do my toes by myself, it was a wrap. It was over with because I cannot. Like, I don't know if I'm not artistic enough or what, but I can't paint my toes at all. So I don't know. So I'm going to get these things done. Just now making it back home, but look, I finally got my toes done. Child, they needed to be done. They looked a hot mess, but yeah, so I'm excited. They match my nails. Well, I got a different color than my nails, so yeah. My nails are so cute. Now I need to go get my eyebrows done. Do they match? Yeah, it'll go. Especially with my swimsuit. But I need to go and get my eyebrows done. And then, yeah. But I'm not going to do that today. Because it's going to be a process. But I'm so excited. Look at my nails. Girl. She did an amazing job. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram to see my nails, my nail tech. She did great. Look at these. Look. Girl, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing in Miami. Okay? But yeah. These are so cute. And I'm so glad I picked that color. Because it blends in, like it matches. y'all don't know nothing about these nails, hunty. Let's get into them. Okay. Let's switch hands. Because this one, I got a ring on it. Let's get into it, child. You is funny. He probably be like, what is she doing? Nova, come on.
Come on, girl. Go ahead, Nova.
Yes, girl. I'm trying.